Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be discussing The Pretenders, a novel by F. Sainil Jose, one of the most celebrated authors in Philippine literature. This book is the third installment in his Rosales saga, a series that examines Filipino history, identity, and society. Let's delve into its story and significance. What is The Pretenders book about? The novel follows Tony Sampson, an intelligent and idealistic man from the rural town of Rosales. Driven by ambition, Tony marries Carmen Villa, the daughter of a powerful industrialist, hoping to secure his place among the elite and bring change to society. However, he soon finds himself trapped in a world of greed, corruption, and moral decay. Tony struggles to reconcile his ideals with the harsh realities of the elite class. He becomes increasingly alienated from his roots, values, and even his marriage, disillusioned and unable to find meaning in his life. He ultimately commits suicide by stepping in front of a train. This tragic ending serves as a powerful commentary on the personal and societal costs of ambition and moral compromise. So, what is the significance of this book? The Pretenders offers a sharp critique of Philippine society, exposing the injustices that persist in a post colonial world. The novel's relevance goes beyond its setting as it addresses universal theme of ambition, identity, and the human cause of systematic inequality. So for me, this book is a thought-provoking and deeply emotional read. It challenges us to question our values and the compromises we make in life. Tony's story is sobering reminder that material success cannot replace integrity or self-respect. In conclusion, The Pretenders by F. Sainil Jose is a masterpiece that combines personal tragedy with societal critique. It's a powerful exploration of the human condition and a must read for anyone interested in understanding the complexities of Filipino identity and history.